Hi friends, Miss Janet here from the Stouffville Library, here for Read and Cook with WSPL. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to read you a story and hopefully it will inspire you to cook or bake something. So hopefully your child and an older sibling or child and mom or dad will cook or bake something because this inspired you to do so. So today we're going to read If You Give a Mouse a Brownie. And this was written by Laura Numeroff. It was illustrated by Felicia Bond and published by Harper Collins. So we're going to read this and then hopefully you're going to go and make something to eat in your kitchen that you were inspired to do. So if you give a mouse a brownie, yum, yum. So if you give a mouse a brownie, he's going to ask for some ice cream to go with it. Ooh, that sounds yummy. When you give him the ice cream, what's he going to do now? He'll ask you for a spoon, of course. He'll start drumming on the table, and drumming will get him so excited he'll want to start a band. He wants to make some cool music. He'll have to play the guitar. Cool guitar there. He'll want to put on a show, so you'll have to build a stage. Then you'll need some spotlights and a microphone. You are going to be busy. When the stage is finished, they did an awesome job. So when the stage is finished, you'll want to make lots of tickets and you'll have to find paper and markers. When the tickets are done, he'll decide to make some posters as well. Whoa, he's very creative. He'll hang them all over the neighborhood. So they say rock concert all over, rock concert. Come on to a rock concert. When he's out hanging them, it might start to rain. Oh dear. He'll fold some posters and make a little boat. And then he'll sail it in a puddle. He's having so much fun. He'll get so wet that he will start to sneeze. Achoo! You'll have to put him in your pocket to stay nice and warm, and when he peeks out of your pocket, he'll smell something delicious, and the smell will remind him that he's hungry. You'll have to take him to the store and get a few things to nibble on. Of course, he'll want to have a picnic. So much fun. When the sun comes out, you'll have to take him to the park. While you're setting up the picnic, he will see a playground and he will jump onto the swings. He'll go as high as he can, and when he looks up at the sky, he might notice a big white cloud. The cloud will remind him of ice cream. He'll probably ask you for some. And chances are, if you give him some ice cream, he'll want a brownie to go with it. That sounds like a good combination to me. Brownie and ice cream. Who's ready for a brownie or some ice cream? So I hope that you're going to go to the kitchen and make something yummy to eat to share with your family. So have fun with that, and I will see you again soon. Bye for now.